One of our biggest challenges this week, we're advanced week for the Players Championship here at TPC Sawgrass. I'm Jack Krevling, Assistant Superintendent with you. Because we've got at least 8 other outside vending companies that are on property doing various things. Now they may be doing things as simple as marking where the coolers and the trash cans go to the tee boxes, or they might be doing something as complicated as putting up the great TV towers and other things we use on the property. What that does lead, though, is people that are not perhaps as savvy in grass management and as careful with things like gasoline or other type issues that can cause damage to grass. Here we are at 6 Greenside with an area that's clearly been burned out by a substance. It looks like some kind of gasoline spray. It's obviously a tip burn area. It's not a deep penetrant. At this time, I'm not comfortable with putting sod down. Fortunately, it's not an area that I consider in play. It will be outside of the ropes, but I want to make this look better than it does. Fortunately, we've got some green paint up in our tournament room, something that we experiment with to try to make it better. Again, I don't want to dig in and make a replacement sod. It may be a rules official issue, but I want to make it look more appealing, trying to help cover up these issues that happen from the people that don't take the care of the grass like we do. So I'm going to do something a little crafty and creative. Wind's coming this way. I'm going to utilize the wind to make sure I'm kind of getting the coverage I want, and I'm going to just give it a nice little touch up. Full side angle to make it nice and even, and to make sure I keep on moving it, not have any heavy spots. And I'm going to try to blend it in at the end to make it look like it's a darker patch of grass. So I'll kind of go to the exterior. Again, not the ideal situation, but if I'm shooting a video camera, if I'm looking at TV, if I'm anywhere outside, I'm not seeing that unless I'm 3-4 feet away. Previously, you could have seen that from across the green.